Hi everyone, my name is Alice. I'm teaching yoga from 5 years and my first yoga class was 10 years back in Paris. After this journey, I was so amazed about the power of yoga. I was feeling myself so much light, relaxed and fresh. I was absolutely convinced to pursue my yoga journey. I start with Bikram and Iyengar yoga and quickly decide to practice yoga every day. Now, from last year, I practice Ashtanga yoga and I enjoy a lot. And now, after 10 years of yoga experience, I can tell you that my life had changed for better. More peace, more joy, happiness and intuition, and mind clarity. Yoga became my passion, my first passion, but I have also passion for dance, music and nutrition. I'm also a nutritionist and I will share with you guys on this channel some healthy tips, easy practical, to introduce in your daily life. I have experience in teaching yoga in Japan, France and India, and from now I will start to teach yoga online for you guys at YogaSays. So please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. See you soon. Stay peace, happy. Namaste.